Hello everyone, this is Varaprasad and I am presenting you the daily current affairs which are useful for SSC, RRB and other government examinations. Let us start the session. India attends Seven Nation meeting initiated by USA. The meeting was held on the same day the US Senate passed an act directing the Secretary of the State to frame a strategy to make Taiwan an observer at World Health Organization. The meeting was held to gain support from participating nations. It includes Australia, India, Brazil, Japan, Israel and Republic of Korea. India is to hold the chair of World Health Organization in May 2020 after Japan completes its tenure. India will continue to hold the chair for next 3 years. This comes during the time when there are worldwide criticisms faced by WHO, especially the US, one of the India's primary trading partner, accused WHO being China-centric. It is to be noted that US has also cut the funds allocated to WHO. India attends SCO meeting, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Sri S. Jaishankar represented India in SCO meeting. The meet was attended by foreign ministers through video conferencing. China and Pakistan foreign ministers also attended the meet. The foreign ministers at the meet discussed COVID-19 crisis and coordination efforts. They also discussed about social and economic consequences of the crisis and how to tackle it. Apart from COVID-19, the major issue discussed was the situation in Afghanistan. The ministers also discussed about the upcoming 75th anniversary of World War II and also the 75th anniversary of United Nations. Also the preparation of SCO summit in St. Petersburg, Russia was also discussed. It was scheduled to be conducted on June 9th to 10th in 2020. The minister expressed India's readiness in sharing information and expertise in the fight against COVID-19. Also, he mentioned about the economic package that was announced in India on May 12th, 2020. United We Fight musical creation released by ICCR to fight COVID-19. The full form of ICCR is Indian Council for Cultural Relations. It brings together composers, musicians and singers from across India to send a message of hope, joy, resilience, fighting spirit and never say die attitude of all in our collective fight against COVID-19. This song is a musical presentation interlacing English lyrics into notes and beats of Indian classical music, hence spreading the essence of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The Ministry of External Affairs of India dedicated the song to the whole world, stating, "United we stand, steadfastly helping, assisting, sharing knowledge, cooperating and coordinating with each other, cutting across boundaries, fighting as one force against the coronavirus." Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan relaunched Sambal Yojana for Dalits, tribals and poor. This is to strengthen the lives of poor and scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities by providing them social security cover right from birth to death. He transferred 41.33 crore rupees to 1903 beneficiaries account. Sambal Yojana was started in April 2018 and 703 crore rupees was spent in 2018 to 19 for its implementation. The main objective is to provide social security to the poor and beneficiaries of SC and ST from birth to death. 2 lakh rupees to the beneficiaries mainly on general and untimely death, 4 lakh rupees on accidental death, 2 lakh rupees on permanent disability and 1 lakh on partial permanent disability. After the death of beneficiary, 50,000 rupees will be provided for last rites and also assistance to upgrade small business to the family. Uttarakhand CM launches Hope, helping out people everywhere, a portal to help unemployed youth. The portal will be used to collect the data on youths of state who are staying in as well as the recently returned migrants youths. This platform will help unemployed youth for job seeking and skill development. The database in the portal will help employers to find suitable candidates for their requirements. The employers will get knowledge about the candidates like where they worked. When the database is ready, it will be linked with Mukhyamantri Swarojgar Yojana. Some of the static GK questions are: Uttarakhand state was formed on 9th November 2000. Capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Governor of Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Maurya. TVS Group IIT Madras developed automated respiratory assist device called Sundaram Ventago This versatile and mobile device will assist the clinicians in constantly monitoring and reporting respiratory parameters. The device has been developed to provide respiratory support to patients through controlled and automated squeezing of a self-inflating or AMBU bag. The device comprises various functionalities to control respiratory rate, tidal volume, pressure parameters, and I/E ratios. To the needy patients, the Sundaram Ventago also provides safety features such as audible alarms from line disconnection or in case that the PIP exceeds a certain threshold. With the help of this device, the respiratory support will become more affordable and available to all. West Bengal government launches Mahathir Smriti scheme. It is to utilize 50,000 acres of barren land in 6 districts. This scheme helps to generate income activities in horticulture and pisciculture involving the locals. The Mahathir Smriti scheme will benefit around 2.5 lakh people in rural Bengal. In West Bengal, at least 50,000 acres of barren land in Birbhum, Purulia, Bankura, Jhargram, West Burdwan and West Midnapur districts, which cannot produce anything naturally nor can the farmers cultivate on the strip. The work has been started in 6,500 acres of land at the micro level, and this is an environmental friendly scheme. Some of the static GK questions are: Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee, Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Men are more vulnerable to COVID-19 than women. All over the world, at least 2.97 lakh people have lost their lives due to COVID-19 pandemic. While novel coronavirus have equal potential to penetrate and spread, irrespective of gender and age, but common notions that males are more susceptible to COVID-19 as compared to women, and even fatalities among the males are more, have been seen in worldwide data of COVID-19 fatalities. On March 17, Dr. Randeep Guleria, director of AIIMS Delhi, had told that IANS that a trend that is quite conspicuous in the worldwide data of COVID-19 is that males are more vulnerable to COVID-19 as compared to men, but the reason for the trend was not ascertained. One interesting trend is also that it has occurred more in men compared to women, he said, adding the reason is yet to be found behind such a trend. Well, it seems that mystery has been decoded by health community of the world. In a report published on May 10th in European Heart Journal, it was found that more concentration of angiotensin converting enzyme 2 or ACE2 in males as compared to females could be responsible for such a trend. The report said the current pandemic coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 infects a wide age group but predominantly elders individuals, especially men and those with cardiovascular disease. KVIC issued revised guidelines. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission has issued a slew of guidelines on PM Narendra Modi's Vocal for Local call. According to the guidelines, the monitoring cell at KVIC Bombay will monitor the application process on a daily basis and give feedback to implementing agencies every fortnight. The progress report will be placed for perusal of CEO and chairman of KVIC. The last one of the session is AIR Itanagar to broadcast a special program. All India Radio Itanagar will broadcast a daily special program COVID-19 Par Dainik Jankari from 14th May 2020 at 4:45 pm daily. During the program, one senior officer from the government of Arunachal Pradesh will give daily briefings on the latest and preparedness on COVID-19 in the state. State's Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar will launch the program. We are providing you the PDF of this entire session in the description box below. People who want to download the PDF can go to the description box and click on that link so that you can download the PDF. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Please give your valuable suggestions in the comment box.